Hi everyone, I Bhutan Gopal Singh. Welcome to this video channel Learning for Environmental Studies Looking Around, textbook for class 4. Let's see, in the previous video class we studied chapter number 4, the story of Amrita. In today's video also, let's continue this chapter number 4. In the previous video class, we studied some portion of this chapter number 4. Today, let's continue from textbook page number 34. Let's continue from textbook page number 34. The village is protected. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the king greatly. He ordered that from then on, no tree would be cut and no animals would be harmed in that area. This means the village is protected means the name of the village is Khezatli village. Khezatli village ko we ko mamang ko ni nakre masi kaidele near Jodhpur manakta ko lai hariba villager singdugi magi strong feeling ko and haibadi u yan thappa matamda mkoina skimati nuaitabatu ko mthona khange and the king ordered that from then on hariba mitudagi mafamda horiba u amadi animal singsi amata harm to we are roena mafam haibadi Khezatli hariba village da horiba ko u amadi animal singsi. And even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area called Bisnois continue to protect plants and animals. This means even today ko ngasi phabuda 300 years habidi sahi chahungi matung sidasu people of this area habidi Khezatli hariba village da lariba mioi singsina koina kari ko ge habitu Bisnoi ko ko, and they continue to protect plants and animals. Pambi amadi sa singsi koina dum protect tawduna lay ko. Even though in the middle of the desert ki have mayai makta ko, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. And desert ki mayai makta phabuda hariba mafam se ko spungchang chang na uba aduga animal singse yamna freely akiba mata yaudana mukhoje movement tawduna sanadana lay have. Next question, let's see. Do you remember that in class 3 you had met a tree, your friend? How is your friend now? In class 3 da ko nangna tree ma nang friend oina laikre mahakasi kamdauri have. The question says, next question, why don't you make a new friend this year? Haiba anoba sahi sidasu nana anoba ko three umana kari maru oina shemdribono. And have you seen how your friends, the trees, change in some ways in different months of a year? In Shiko, Shina Haribadi, why don't you make a new friend this year? Hariba sahi sidasu ko makoina class 4 karpa matam sidasu karigi anoba u da maru ama thamdribono. And how your friends have the trees u singse masina in some ways makoise sahi mai manungda makoida some changes koina uba phangi ko. Then write about any one tree habidi u magi maramda kagumba khara iyo habi. Does the tree flower? The question says, does the tree flower? Here you can answer, yes, it flowers. Next question, Do the flowers remain on the tree throughout the year? You can answer, no, the flowers do not remain on the tree throughout the year. Next question, in which month do their leaves fall? Karamba thada makoigi leaves kien bagi have. So the answer for this question, you can say leaves of the tree usually fall in the month of January. January thada most of the leaf pambi yambagi mai manase kiele. Aduna you can say leaves of the trees usually fall in the month of January. Now let's move on next page, textbook page number 36. In textbook page number 36, let's see, do fruits grow on the tree? The answer for this question, you can say, yes, they grow. Next question, in which months do they grow? Karamba thada ko hariba usingda fruit fan basi karamba matamda karamba thada pan bagi have. Yes, the answer for this question, say you can say, for different plants, we can say one example, mangoes grow in the month of March, like that. And next question, have you eaten these fruits? Have you eaten these fruits? So in the answer you can say, yes, I have eaten mangoes. Sometime back, you have read in the newspapers or seen on TV show, some film actors had to face legal action for hunting a black buck. So, in this point, we can mention one example in the newspapers, in the news, or in the TV show. Some of the film actors had to face legal actions for hunting black buck. So regarding this content, we can mention one of the well-known film actor that was Salman Khan, once in the newspaper for killing wild animal. Here, let's see, discuss. Why do people hunt? Why do people hunt animal? The answer for this question, let's see, to eat for theirs, and to eat, one point is to eat, and another point is for their skin and bones, and third point is for fun also. Because of these points, people hunt animals. There are rules against hunting of some animals. People can be punished for hunting. Why do you think there is this punishment? In the answer, you can say, provision for this punishment has been made to save animals. There should be provision for the punishment. So provision for this punishment has been made to save animals. Next point, let's see. Talk to your grandparents and find out which birds did they see around them when they were your age. So, in the answer, you can say cow, sparrow, parrot, eagle, vulture, and even say cuckoo. These are the birds we can see around us. Next question. Have the number of some of these birds become less? So actually the answer for this question, you can say yes, the number of vultures, sparrows, and eagles have become less. Last question. Are there some birds or animals which they can not see anymore? Are there some birds or animals which they cannot see anymore? 하이버디 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ animal 하이버디 사 ꯑꯃꯗꯤ birdsꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯎꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯎꯆꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ. In the answer, you can say the little bustard and the cheetah cannot be seen anymore. Ko ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯇꯗꯤ little bustard and the cheetah. Ko cheetah, you know, one of the animal that belongs to cat family. Ko tiger gumbani hariba animal singshidi we cannot be seen anymore. Ko amuhana uba ngamaro. Abidi koida leitre ko. Ko lebakta koigi. Next question, let's see. Shanti's grandfather told her that when he was a small child, he saw more birds like sparrows and myna than he sees today. Can you make to guess why their numbers have become less? The answer for this question, you can say hunting and cutting down of trees are two main causes which are reducing the numbers of these birds. Hunting and cutting down of trees. 하이버디 ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯠꯄ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯎ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯟꯊꯠꯄ ꯀꯣ cutting down of trees 하이ꯕꯗꯤ ꯎꯁꯦ ꯀꯛꯊꯠꯄ 하이ꯕꯗꯤ ꯎꯁꯦ only one number two number ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯀꯣ more than 1,000 times 100 times 다 ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯛꯊꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ these are the two main causes which are reducing the number of this bird 하리바 우싱시 우색싱시 masing handarakpugi maramse masinebuko maramdi 하이버디 hunting and cutting down of the trees 거 aduna 사지 hatpa amadi koina uji large number da yam ka hena kakatpasina maram oibasina koina usekchingsi masing handaraknabagi maram amane. Next, the Khazadi tree was the most common tree that grew in Amrita's village. Which kind of trees can you see a lot of in your area? Name two such trees. Here you can say you may see a lot of teak and mango trees in your area. This is common tree ko koina yamna common oiba uamane se teak and mango ko koi si koi gi area da yam matam da koina dum uramani ko. Find out more about these trees from your elders. Suma makhalgi trees singsi nakoi gi elders singda hangaga ko nakoina hariba u singsi kram makalgi u sing leiribage habasi yengu habani. Here you can say mango, one of the very common tree. Mango tree is a big tree, and it usually starts flowering in the month of March. March matamda mazi flowering habadi my mapan satpa hore. Then its fruits start referring from the month of May. And the magi fruits from the month of May habidi May thadagi my fruit che munba hore ko. And mango is a very tasty fruit ko. Adu yamna tasty fruit amasu oi mango che ko. And its branches are used as firewood. Adu magi masa singchi koina ka aga koigi firewood oina habidi mai thabadu season ko. And mango's timber is used to make furniture also. Habidi mango gi magi u pambi je ka aga koina koigi furniture item sing sabada su season. Then teak ko. Teak tree is also very big and it gives us shade and fresh air. Aduga koigi teak tree hariba sisu yamna chawba makhagi uamani mana soi koida kari pi hai matamda koida shade habidi urum amadi fresh air pi ko. And teak wood is costly. Teak ki wood che schematic tangi and teak does not give us fruit. Habidi teak na koida fruit pide. And teak is used in making furniture. Aduna koina furniture items sing sabada teak ki magi wood che schematic koida kana bapi. Koi furniture item saba matamda teak ki wood che schematic mapangan kanba fazaba aduga mamansu yamna tangba aduma makalgi tree yamani ko tik che makadong yangsi. The khezadi tree is found mainly in desert area. Khezadi tree si ko maroina desert area da lay. It can grow without much water. Hariba khezadi haiba tree si ising yamna phangdragasu ko makhoi si hingba ngami. Its bark is used for making medicine. Aduga hariba usigi bark habidi usigi magi stem da yomjaliba mai makuse masi kai sabada sinage ha matamda koina medicine habidi hidak sabada season. People cook and eat its fruits habidi koi miweba na to magi fruit che habidi khezadi hariba usigi magi fruit che masi tunga jusai haibuko. Its wood is such that it will not be affected by insects. Aduga magi wood che haibidi khezadi haibu usigi magi wood che atopa insect singna haibidi attack tobu ngamde haibin ko haibidi yakoina atopa purpose da construction da season robo matamda haibu usi atopa insect singna ko attack tobuna mahanbado adungamde. Animals in this area eat the leaves of the khezadi. Hariba khezali hariba village da lariba ko. Sorry, animal singche. Sisina animals in this area eat the leaves of the khezadi. And the khezadi hariba pambiji mana singche mukhoi sai. And children like you play in its shade. And children hangang singnasu hariba khezadi hariba usigi magi marumda ko mukhoi sanabasi pame urumda ko. So now let's study some questions and answers. Here some questions are there. Take the correct answer. Question number 1, let's see. People living in Khezali village are called Dias. Option A, hunters. Option B, Bishnoi. Option C, guard. Option D, none of these. So the correct option for this question number 1 is number B. Option number B, Bishnoi. So the people living in Khezali village are called Bishnoi. Question number 2, Khezali village got its name from the Dias trees that grew there. Option A, Banyan. Option B, Nim. Option C, Khezadi. Option D, none of these. You know, Khezali village got its name from the Khezadi trees that grew there. So the correct option is option C, Khezadi. Here question number 3, let's see. The villagers protected the trees from being cut by option A, snatching away the woodcutter's axes. Number B, option B, requesting the king. Option C, hugging the trees. Option D, killing the woodcutters. So actually the villagers protected the trees from being cut by hugging the trees. So the correct option is option C. Question number 4. The children of Khezali play option A, inside their homes. Option B, in the shade of the trees. Option C, in the village playground. Option D, hide and seek. So the correct option is option B, in the shade of the trees. So with that, it comes to the end of this class. For today, let's stop here. Bye.